Hello, everyone, and welcome. I'm Dona Sarkar.
I'm Dan Wahlin.
And the two of us are running around the world right now, not right now because we're in studio, and we're helping Microsoft customers learn to use the Microsoft Copilots across their products to run their businesses better and live like slightly more joyous work lives.
Yeah. Be more productive, enjoy it more.
Exactly. Right now, we're doing a series on prompting because, as you know, prompting a Copilot is a whole art and a science. And while we were on adoption.microsoft.com/Copilot, which is a fantastic resource, by the way, and you should check it out, we found this really, really cool formula that we want to share with you today.
Yeah. So here's an example of a prompt that you might use in Word or Outlook or something like that. Really any Copilot, actually. But it says, generate 3 to 5 bullet points to prepare me for a meeting with some client to discuss their phase 3 branding campaign, focus on email and Teams chats, and please use simple language. Now, this is actually a really good example, Donna, because there's 4 areas, right, that this breaks down to. First off, what's the goal of this?
Right.
Well, it has generate 3 to 5 bullet points.
Perfect.
Okay. Next phase is what's the context?
Right.
Well, who are we meeting with? It looks like client X to discuss their phase 3 branding. But then in addition to that, there might be a little bit more you want to add when it comes to what's the source of some of this information.
Right.
So notice we want to focus on email and Teams chats, and even since June.
Yes.
So we're kind of giving it a filter, if you will.
Yes.
And then the last thing, please use simple language, is what are the expectations we want to tell the LLM, the large language model, to do?
I love it because this is the kind of thing you can use for all of the Microsoft Copilots, as you'll see in this series. Stay tuned.